All right, let's jump right in. If you're an entrepreneur with a vision for fintech, you already know the biggest challenge, right? It's not coming up with a great idea, it's actually building it. So today we're going to break down exactly how you can launch your own global payment solution and tap into a market with billions of users, not in years, but in just a matter of weeks. Let's do this.
First, let's just wrap our heads around the scale of this thing. Right now, there are over 4.3 billion digital wallet users worldwide. I mean, think about that for a second. That is more than half the entire planet's population already living in the digital economy. So we're not talking about some small niche market here. This is the new global standard.
And this market isn't just huge, it's absolutely exploding. We're looking at a compound annual growth rate of nearly 15% for cashless transactions. That momentum is just undeniable. And you know what? It's picking up speed every single year.
And it's all about speed. By 2028, instant payments are expected to make up more than a fifth of all digital transactions. This isn't just a passing trend, it's a deep, fundamental shift in what users expect. The window of opportunity, it's right now.
So if the opportunity is this massive, why isn't everyone and their cousin a fintech mogul? Well, because launching a global payment solution from the ground up is incredibly difficult. There's this huge barrier standing in the way for most people. The truth is, the global payment system is kind of broken. It's this tangled mess of inefficiency. You've got billions of potential customers who are just locked out because they don't have access to traditional banking. And for businesses, they're trying to deal with sanctions, crazy high fees, and painfully slow processing times. All of this friction, well, it creates a massive opportunity for anyone who can fix it. And even with all the excitement around new tech like cryptocurrency, that core problem still hasn't been solved. Sure, people can hold digital assets, but trying to actually spend them in their daily lives, easily and everywhere, that's still a huge challenge. Which brings us to the big question for any innovator in this space. How do you actually break through all those barriers? How do you build a solution for this gigantic, underserved market? And here's the key part, how do you do it without burning through years of your life and millions of dollars on development?
Well, the answer is a powerful shortcut to the market. It's called a white label solution.
So, what exactly is a white label solution? Think of it like a business in a box. It's a complete, fully developed, and regulated fintech platform that's already been built and tested. All you have to do is put your brand, your logo, your vision on top of it, and launch it as your very own. And when I say it's out of the box, I really mean it. This isn't some empty framework. It's a complete ecosystem. You get a beautiful, feature-rich mobile app, the ability to issue your own branded physical and virtual cards, full support for Apple Pay and Google Pay, and maybe the most important part, the game-changing ability to instantly convert crypto to cash. It is literally everything you need, ready to go from day one. Look, you basically have two paths you can take. There's the old way, building from scratch. That's a slow, super expensive journey filled with regulatory nightmares and an endless maintenance burden. Or there's the white label path. This is your direct route to market. You launch in weeks, not years, for a fraction of the cost, and all the compliance is already handled. This frees you up to focus on what you're actually good at, building your brand and growing your customer base. Okay, now for the part every entrepreneur really wants to see. The tech is cool, it's impressive, but how does it actually make you money? Let's break down the clear, direct path to profitability. Your business model is built on three really powerful recurring revenue streams. First, you earn setup fees just for launching new partners on your platform. Second, you collect fees for every single card you issue and activate. And third, the big one, you earn a commission on every transaction that flows through your ecosystem. It's a model that's just built for scalable, long-term growth. So the model is designed for success, and we've got the results to prove it. Let's take a look at how real-world partners are already out there winning in the market using this exact solution. First up, we've got Wallet Finance. They partnered with us to launch their own branded crypto-friendly cards to serve a global audience. And in a really short amount of time, they've built this amazing, trusted community of over 410,000 users on the platform. And that user base, it translates directly into revenue. Their forecast income is over $27 million. That right there is the power of this model at scale. Next, let's look at CryptoBank. They did something really clever and integrated the solution right into Telegram, which lets users issue cards and make payments without ever leaving the app.
Their approach has attracted a massive following. We're talking over 320,000 users who are loving this seamless service.
And financially, well, that translates into a really powerful outlook, with a forecast income topping $17.3 million.
And for a final example, let's check out CryptoSpace. This is another brand that's empowering its users with instant virtual cards right inside Telegram for easy global purchases. Their success has been just remarkable. They've built the largest community of the three with an incredible user base of over 470,000 people. And that kind of scale leads to just staggering potential. Their forecast income is over $30 million. Look, these numbers aren't just pie-in-the-sky projections. They're a testament to a proven, repeatable model for success. The barriers to entry have been absolutely shattered. The technology is already built, the business model is proven, and the market is just waiting. So the only question left is, are you ready to build your brand, scale fast, and own your market?